Hello, my name's Simon. I work here at My Salon Hub. My Salon Hub is a marketing platform that allows you to generate new customers and promote offers to your current customers. It has a number of features designed to make marketing your business even simpler. The first and most important feature is our pre-built templates and our landing page editor. So, what's a landing page? Essentially, a landing page is a page on the internet that you direct your customers to that has your offer on. You could think of it as an interactive leaflet. Here are some examples.
Okay, so here are a few examples of landing pages. These ones are for nails, so a couple of different variations just so you can understand what a landing page is. I'll show you another one here. This is very similar and they work really well. These ones are formatted for large screen, but all our landing pages are fully mobile responsive, so they work on mobiles really well. And that's what a landing page is. You'll have seen them when you go to buy products on the internet.
My Salon Hub is loaded with pre-completed landing pages where all you have to do is edit them by adding your logo, contact details and address. You can change anything on the page you like, including the actual offer itself.
So this is typical of one of our landing pages. As you can see, anything we've got in green here is something you should change, so it's dead easy to do. Just click in the box, type in what you want. This is for Valerie's Salon, which is in Liverpool, so we'll just type that in there and put Liverpool in, and then we can change the colour of all of that to black, so just highlight it and click on here, choose the black version there. See this logo? You add your own logo by clicking here, upload a new image, and here we've got Valerie's Salon just there. That goes in. Change a few other details. You can change anything on here really. We could change the main picture and then it's ready to go. So it's dead easy to do. It's very, very quick and you get a great looking landing page. Last thing to show you here is about 80% of all your Facebook business will come in through mobile. So we've got this set as large display, but I can look at it in the mobile view. So that's how it will look on someone's mobile phone, which works really well. And actually we build our landing pages to work on mobile first. It really is going to be how you get most of your business. This is what it looks like on a large tablet, and we've got a small tablet as well, just here. So works really well on every single format, and that's something which is quite hard to achieve without using a professional system like the My Salon Hub system.
Landing pages are the key to generating customers online. They can be used to deliver vouchers, collect contact details, link to your booking page, or run competitions.
Okay, so the whole point of using a landing page is that you can collect details and you can deliver vouchers. This one collects the details, they go into your database, and you could click to get a voucher once you've entered your details in. So you keep those details. It's a much better journey. It's one of the reasons that landing pages are so important for building your database, and that gets you more customers in the future.
So right now, it's important to talk about the journey. The journey refers to how you attract new customers and how they reach you. You almost certainly post offers on your Facebook business page already, and typically they're a photo with some text that you've posted below. Here's an example of a current journey.
Okay, so this is typical of a normal Facebook journey. As you can see, they've got a price, they've got some pictures, they've got a lot of information. But what they haven't got is a call to action. Nowhere on here, if you click anywhere, can you do anything? Can you book an appointment, download a voucher, or, well, anything really. So it's a typical Facebook journey. It's really just info, and you're hoping that someone finds your number and gives you a call.
Usually the message includes a mobile number that you have to call and book, and that's the end of that particular journey. My Salon Hub creates a journey for you that works by posting the offer, and then that offer links to a landing page where they can interact, for example by downloading a voucher.
Okay, so this is the journey on the My Salon Hub site. So basically we've posted this to Facebook, and here's the offer, and if you click on the offer like this, you go through to a great looking landing page, all the details about the offer, other information, so there's colours on this one, somewhere for someone to enter their details, and then they can get a voucher once they've entered those details. That goes to a thank you page, and the voucher is delivered to their email, and you get the lead into your system, and you can call them straight away and book them in for an appointment. It's a much better, interactive journey, has a much higher response rate and guaranteed to bring you business.
This journey is far more successful than just posting a picture. One of the issues of just posting on your own Facebook page is that Facebook only show your post to between 3 and 8% of your followers. So if you have 1,000 likes, then only 30 to 80 of your likes will see your post. If you promote your landing page on the Facebook ad platform, then you could reach 1,000 people in your town for as little as £1. Many of our salons spend around £5 a day on Facebook, and their ad is viewed by literally thousands of potential customers every single day. It's the best value marketing available to any small business right now. The second important point about posting socially is that the post disappears down the timeline very quickly, but Facebook keeps its ads near the top of the timeline so you get much greater visibility. Lastly, if you're only posting socially, then you're not finding new customers. You're merely displaying to a small group of people who already know about your business. Look at our testimonial page for users who have literally filled their appointment books using Facebook advertising through the My Salon Hub system. My Salon Hub makes Facebook advertising simple. So once you have your landing page built for your offer, then it's about how you get people to visit it. So, promoting your business has changed a lot since the days of leaflets, yellow pages, the local paper, and of course the obligatory sandwich board outside your salon. These methods now produce limited results, if any. So to get new customers now, the 4 main methods are social media, SMS, email, and Google. My Salon Hub makes it simple to promote your offer or your salon in a number of ways. Posting socially for free on Facebook, Twitter, and the other social media networks using our one-click sharing window.
Posting socially on Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest couldn't be easier with My Salon Hub. So here's a campaign we're going to share. So you come into the campaign manager in your live campaigns, we press the share button, and that'll take us through to the sharing window. This is the sharing window, so the campaign you're about to share comes up here. You choose your network. We're going to choose Facebook. We've got a few different ways that the message will be displayed. We always like this one, so push here on to use this. It's contacting Facebook. Now we're going to share it on our business page, so page you manage and Valerie's Salon. We can say something about it. We can edit the offer, so I'm going to say something about, great offer. And then we just share the link. That goes through onto your Facebook page. And if we have a look at the Valerie's Facebook page, there it is. Couldn't be easier. Ever so simple, and obviously you can click through. That goes through to your landing page, and people complete the details, and you make more sales.
Advertise on Facebook and reach thousands of local potential customers for as little as £1 per day by showing them your ad that links to your landing page. SMS all your clients a link to the landing page, which is great for generating repeat business, and email all your clients with your latest offers. You can also use Google to advertise on their PPC network. Each of these methods can reach thousands of people with a brilliantly professional looking web page and a great journey. So once you've promoted your landing page, you'll start getting inquiries, and these will be in the form of leads that arrive in your leads table.
Okay, so this is what happens when somebody clicks on to get a voucher or inputs their contact details. All the leads come into your leads table. It looks something like this. So this is someone who shared once, and they got all these leads back in where people downloaded a voucher for their offer. And this is a great way of building your database. You can go back and market to all these people every month, and it's really, really effective.
Every time someone interacts with your landing page and downloads a voucher or clicks through to your booking system or leaves their details, all of that information is captured and added to your leads table. From here you can call them and book them in for an appointment. We have salons who report a 100% booking rate by calling clients as soon as they download a voucher. You can also export all your data into Microsoft Excel and add your leads to a MailChimp account if that's your chosen email program, or SMS them using the My Salon Hub SMS add-on. In the Analytics section, you can see how many clicks and when they occur by clicking on the Analytics tab in the main menu.
Okay, so we have a look at what happens when somebody clicks to get a voucher or leaves their contact details, we're going to the analytics section here, which you all get access to. Everybody in the system gets access, and this is a client who's only posted socially, so they haven't used the Facebook ad platform. This is just from social posting, and we can see here that they've shared 5 times, and we know they shared 5 times on the first day, which is on the 17th September, and they had 23 clicks and they got 6 contact forms, so 6 vouchers download. They ran this offer here, which is 50% off cut and blow dry. They've had 50 clicks, had 17 contact forms, and there you can see they haven't spent anything on Facebook. And then we can have a quick look at their leads table. So it's just here, and this should take us through, and we should be able to see all those leads that have come in. And there they are. And this is all this information goes into your database, and you can see it works really well. It's ever so easy to do, and you can go back and market to these people all the time. Imagine actually if you were putting that out on Facebook, you'd be getting maybe 10-20 leads a day, and your salon will be really full.
This shows you if people are clicking on your campaign and when they're clicking through. Most important of all, and our unique feature, is you can keep all of your marketing in one place, in your campaign manager. Each tile has all the details about that campaign attached. Here's a quick guide to what the icons mean.
Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook ad using our premium feature, our Facebook ad integration. So providing the integration is actually active, you've paid the subscription, then this little F down here will go blue, and we can click on that, and that'll go through to this page. And we're interested at the moment in creating a new advert. So I click on Create New Advert, and up comes this basic form. Now we pre-completed a lot of this information, but you can edit any of it. So here's the advert name, so that's the name of our campaign. It doesn't appear anywhere, it's for your reference. This is the advert text. We do a lot of this ourselves for you, so you don't have to type it in, but have a read through, see if you're happy with it. If you haven't got a website, you don't need to put it in here. It won't make any difference. It will still work without a website, but if you have, then you can put your website in there. You don't have to put ours in. In fact, probably best you don't. So the creative side, so this is actually about how the advert will look. This is where it will be shown. So if you want it seen on a desktop, that's in your timeline, or just on mobiles, or in the right-hand column, which appears down here on Facebook, then you can unselect or select all of them. Bear in mind, a lot of your traffic will be seen on mobile, about 80% of the traffic on mobile from Facebook. So having a mobile responsive page like the ones we produce are really important. The advert type, single image, that's just one fixed image, or multi-image. These are known as carousel ads. Don't worry about those at the moment. Unless you want to do one, you've got 4 or 5 images to pick to slide across the screen. This is the headline, so it appears under the text. This is sort of the big headline, so I'll just type in something. Gel nails, £12.50. And then underneath you can write a description. Fab nails, and you can add as much text in as you want there. Take time over doing this. You can get quite a lot of information in, but don't go crazy, because you run out of space in the mobile side. Yeah, I'll show you that in a second. We've already put the image in here, but if you want to put a new image in, you can choose a file from your computer and upload it. This one's already passed the Facebook 20% text rule. So that 20% text rule is basically if you've got text in more than 5 boxes, approximately, Facebook reject it. This one's already been through. If some people want to put loads of text on, Facebook won't accept it, they will reject it. So this one's already approved, we're happy to use it. Next thing is called a call to action. So that's a button you can put on the advert, and I quite like the download one, because this one's about downloading a voucher. So I'll select download, and then we're ready to preview our advert, and you get a few options. That's how it appears on your desktop, on your mobile, or in the right hand column. So we'll look at the desktop one first. So this is how the ad will appear. This is the text that I just typed in, you'll remember. So you get quite a lot of space here for this secondary message. This is the message we already include in the campaign itself. So we've typed that in, but again, you can change that. And obviously there's the image. We'll have a look at the mobile. So that's how it would appear on people's mobile phones. And I mentioned don't go mad with this text, because on mobiles you do run out of space. There's our download button we added, and you can see how it will appear in the right hand column. Now the right hand column is much smaller, so you get a very small ad, and a lot of the text starts to disappear. Some people don't like the right hand column. I prefer the timeline because people have to scroll through it, particularly on mobiles. Okay, so that's how the ad's going to look, which I'm really happy with. Next, we need to choose an audience. There's a few custom audiences we can create an audience. So ignore the custom audience for the moment. We'll cover that later. If you have a saved audience, we can choose a saved audience. I think I've saved one earlier, which was called Liverpool Nails, but I'll show you how to select one. So firstly, you want to put in your location. So our nail salon, fictitious one, is in Liverpool. So it'll search now on Facebook for Liverpool. There it is. Make sure you get the right one. There's probably a few Liverpools around the UK. We just want Liverpool. You can make it much more focused than that if you've got a particular area of Liverpool, but this is right in the town centre, and that suits us. Don't change the radius. Liverpool's a big place, quite compact in terms of density of people, so we'll get quite a big number. In fact, we can just check now for everybody aged between 18 and 65 by getting an estimated audience, and there's 540,000 people in Liverpool between 18 and 65. Yeah. Now for our nails offer, we probably want to set some ages in there, so we'll go 24 to 50. So that's everybody between 24 and 50, and obviously we really just want females. So we'll select females, and then we'll get our estimated audience. It's 160,000 people. Now I can narrow that down further by choosing some interests. So if I put nails in here, Facebook will search through for pages that people have liked about nails, and that kind of gives us an indication that they're likely to be interested in your offer. So we can get the estimated value. So there's 1,900 people who are aged between 24 and 50, females who are interested in artificial nails. We can add gel nails in here, and in fact you can add as many as you like. So gel nails, there we are, and we can add in nail art. So nail art, there it is, and we'll get the estimated values for that. Now they've added those audiences on, so it's gone up a little bit. So we've now got 3,100 people. So this ad would serve to those 3,100 people aged 24 to 50 who are females living in Liverpool, right in the city centre, and we can choose to advertise to them by now selecting a budget. So the budget would be, for this offer, I'm going to go for about £2 a day. You can set a lifetime budget here. And the lifetime budget means I actually only want to spend, you might say £10. Yeah. Or you can set a daily budget of £2. And by doing that, it means you'll spend £2 each day. So it will drip feed through, and you can choose when it starts and when it ends. So if you click on the little calendar here and choose the day, today is the 30th. So 30th, we'll say 9 in the morning. And we want to end it in a week's time. So that means we would spend about £14 at £2 a day. So I put the 7 in here and I'll end it at midday. I don't want this one to actually run straight away, so I'm just going to change this date. You can edit any of this, go back to it. So we're going to go back. I'm going to set it to run on the 1st of October because this is obviously for a fake salon. Okay, so we're happy with all of that. If we wanted to save the audience we've selected, you can go and save audience. It'll bring up this window. I'll call this one Liverpool Nails 2. Save, and that will then appear up here in our saved audience selection. So I'll just show you where that is. So saved audiences. There's Liverpool Nails. That's the one I did earlier. And then I've got this should be. Once I create this ad, Liverpool Nails 2 will appear in there. Okay, so we're almost ready to go. If I just press the create button now, this is going off to Facebook, and Facebook are going to have a look at the ad. They need to approve everything before it goes live. So just wait for Facebook to come back. Okay, so this is what you'll see next. So you'll see this is the image, that's the name of the offer, the headline, and the important thing to notice here, it says pending review. Okay, so Facebook are now looking at this, they're seeing that it's the right sort of ad that they want to serve on their network. And what will happen is when it's pending review, when it goes into approved, a little tick will appear in here and it will go active. Okay, and really that can take anything up to 24 hours from Facebook. Yeah, they're usually quite quick, but expect that to take up to 24 hours. Okay, you can still go back and edit at any time. So click on here, we go back into our original form, and we can edit anything we put in before, and it's as simple as that. And that is you advertising on Facebook, setting the budget. It takes 5 minutes. It's really easy, and produces fantastic results. I can't stress enough how good the results are.
One great feature of the system is the ability to adjust campaigns whilst they're live. So even when a campaign is running, you can go and amend anything on the landing page or stop the ads running immediately. Once you have a campaign set up, you can reuse it as many times as you like. So you might run a Christmas campaign this year and then reuse it again with very little effort the following year. Or perhaps you have a monthly campaign which you amend with new offers each month before sending it out to your current clients and generating repeat business. And you'll always find all your campaigns in one place. So, how much does it cost? Well, the base system is free forever. So you can post great offers on your social media and email your clients with a link to your page and get access to lots of pre-completed templates. We charge a small fee to use some of our premium templates and features, which will maximize your results, including our Facebook advertising feature and our SMS add-on. All the prices are available on our website, so if you're serious about promoting your business, be sure to sign up for a free account today. Thanks for watching.